Once you've prepared your property for your pest control treatment, it's time to apply your Cyzmic CS Controlled Release Insecticide. The best time to apply your pest control treatment is on a calm day, when there's no wind and when rain is not expected for 24 hours before or after you spray. This will help maximize your perimeter pest protection. Before getting started, put on your personal protective equipment, including long sleeves, long pants, socks, closed-toed shoes, and chemical-resistant gloves. In a clean sprayer, mix 1.4 ounce bottle of Cyzmic CS with water to make 1 gallon of finished solution. Start by adding half a gallon of water to your sprayer. Then, add the bottle of Cyzmic CS. Close the sprayer and shake to mix. Add another half a gallon of water to the sprayer, close the sprayer, and shake again to thoroughly mix. Depending on the amount of finished solution required to spray the perimeter of your structure, you may need to repeat this step for each gallon. Now that you've mixed your insecticide, it's time to spray. First, spray around the foundation. Apply a continual band up 3 feet and out 3 feet from the ground using a coarse spray. You'll want to make sure you apply enough spray to cover the surfaces without having excessive dripping or runoff, and spray enough over any ground coverings to uniformly reach through to the soil. After you've sprayed around the foundation, apply up to a 1-inch band around the window frames, around door frames, around vents, and where cables, pipes, and wires enter the structure. You can also spray the underside of eaves, roof overhangs, and soffits. Do not apply Cyzmic CS onto impervious surfaces like paved driveways, concrete landings, sidewalks, or patios. Structural areas located above impervious surfaces, such as garage doors over paved driveways, should also not be sprayed with this product. Avoid spraying into gutters, where the spray could run off into storm drains or drainage ditches, and also avoid spraying around wells and well houses. After you've finished applying your Cyzmic perimeter spray, follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean your sprayer. And it's that easy, with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.